Hi everyone, welcome back to the another live streaming on CCNA live class. So as I'm able to see here, 4 people have recently joined. So if you are new here, kindly hit the like button and the class is going to be live. Okay, I'm going to take Zoom class. If you too want to attend the Zoom class, then kindly fill the form that is given in the description section below. That is a Google form. Fill up and you will get the Zoom ID and password. All right. So I will be happy if you join the live class because I want to teach everyone absolutely free of cost, because with my student I also learn something every day. So as I'm able to see, there is no comment. Okay, so please write it down a comment so that I can see whether everything is working perfectly fine or not, because sometimes there is a glitch. You guys may comment, but I unable to see the comments, right? So write the comment as let me check whether it is working fine or not. Zoom class is going to start in just 15 minutes. Okay, so just wait till then. But there is no comment. Please write it down in the comment section below. I want to hear from you all, guys. And if you have any doubt till then, you can ask me. I would love to answer all of your questions. Jaideep has recently joined. Hello Sri, hello sir, namaste. Namaste Jaideep मेरे भाई, namaste. How are you Jaideep? Are you comfortable with English और हिंदी में बात करें? The class is in both English as well as in Hindi language. तो अगर आपको इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आती तो हम हिंदी में भी समझाएंगे, तो आप लोग ज्वाइन करेंगे तो हमें अच्छा लगेगा. आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट. हेलो मॉर्निंग स्टार 492, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. आई एम फाइन. उम्मीद है आप सभी अच्छे होंगे. थोड़ा सा वेट कर लेते हैं क्योंकि अगर जूम क्लास अगर पहले में स्टार्ट कर दिया तो फिर वो दिक्कत हो जाएगा, फिर 40 मिनट्स में ख़त्म हो जाता है ना. सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट आफ्टर फ्यू मिनट्स. वेट, एट 20:35 वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट. 8 मिनट्स बाद हम शुरू कर देंगे क्लास. एंड देर इज़ ओनली वन लाइक. नो प्रॉब्लम. I am good sir, how is everything going? Everything is fine my brother, everything is fine. Let's see how many students are joining today. Gaming Bazaar has joined. Hi Gaming Bazaar, मैं आ गया. Welcome, welcome. कैसे हो आप? कौन सा हेडफोन यूज़ कर रहे हो? राइट नाउ आई एम यूजिंग HyperX नहीं, Corsair है, Corsair HS35. Only 2 likes guys. Kindly hit the like button. It used to motivate me to provide you more and more better content. If you like my videos then only hit the like button. If you don't like, no problem. अब बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म हो गया मेरा, क्या बात है. कॉन्ग्रेट्स मेरे भाई. कैसा रहा एग्ज़ाम? लेट मी नो. We have another 7 minutes left to start the class. So let's see. Sir, I have watched and learned a lot from your playlist. Thanks a lot of the content. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. This is my mission. Whatever video I make it, if you like it, means my work gets success, right? आज बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म हो गया मेरा. यस, मैंने सुना, आपने कहा, हमने सुना. Till then, let me send the notification to all the users, those who have downloaded my Networking Plus application. It's been a long time I haven't sent them a notification, so let me surprise everyone, those who have downloaded my application. 1 minute. आज एग्ज़ाम कंप्यूटर साइंस का था और 30 मिनट्स में मैंने एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म कर दिया. वाह क्या बात है, वेल डन. I have 3 applications now. Which one is the correct one? I forgot. Oh my god. 1 2 3. How to check now? Will you provide Zoom link today? Yes, yes, of course. Wait, the Zoom link will be same. Last time I have shared you with you, right? I will provide you. Don't worry. Arati Rawat has joined. Hello, sir. Hello. Thank you very much for joining. Zoom class is going to start in another 5 minutes. So just wait for 5 minutes. The Zoom ID and password will be the same one. Okay. And those who are new here and want to attend the free Zoom class, fill the Google form that is provided with you in the description section below. Okay. Plus my full networking plus CCNA course is also available. That link is also provided in the description section below. If you're interested, you can also join that one. All right. Okay. Sir, one humble request. Can you make a video on how to make a lab setup, as nowadays laptop resources are limited? Means what kind of video you want? Let me know. Most of the practical videos I have already shared with you with the help of packet tracer, right? Now lab setup, what kind of video you want? Let me know. If possible, I can do it, right? But if it is possible or packet tracer, then only I can explain with you, right? Because I don't have practical office where I can buy the gadgets and show you. If it is possible on packet tracer, I can explain you, but let me know clearly what kind of practical you are expecting. Just give me some time, okay? I'm just sending a message to all the users, those who have downloaded my Networking Plus application, so that we can have more and more students. Okay, study Atul Sharma networking installing. Hello bhaiya, hello bhai, thank you very much for joining. First of all, change the name. Okay, come with your real name so that I also come to know what is your name, right? It will be better for us to communication. आपका ज्ञान मिलेगा तो मज़ा आएगा. I am trying my best. CCNP labs, as there are lots of routes and switches, maybe AWS platform or Google Cloud. CCNP I didn't do, means I don't know about CCNP because I have only learned CCNA and I am comfortable with that. In future I may come with called Microsoft Server and all. I will try, but it's also depend how is this course is going on. If this course is successful, then only I can invest money on other courses and all, right? Because whatever I am learning, if I am unable to teach my students, if my students are not happy with that, then there is no use of making lots of another courses, right? Please take one marathon this Sunday networking. Let me see, it is a good idea. Let me see. Nowadays I am very busy with lots of other work, so that is the one reason I am not taking live every every day. But if response is going well, then I can decide I can take lots of other classes as well. मेरा नाम अनिस साहू है, आपको याद तो है ना? यस 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 यस, आपको याद कैसे नहीं रखूँगा मैं. सी प्लस प्लस अगर कर लूँगा तो किस टाइप का जॉब? सी प्लस प्लस इज़ वेरी ओल्ड माई ब्रदर. इफ़ यू आर गोइंग इन प्रोग्रामिंग सेक्शन, you have to learn lots of other programming language as well. Only C++ it is not going to help you. Alright, I have sent the message to everyone. Let's see how many of them click on the link and join the class. Sir, I completed CCNA and CCNP, struggling for job. If you are a fresher, just focus on the basic part, you will get the job, right? Because nobody is going to ask you a high level questions to the fresher guy, but they are going to ask you basics things. If it is only not clear to you, it is very difficult to get the job. The basic must be clear. Sir, you understand Nepali language or not? I don't understand, but my mom understand because she is from Nepali Gaon, you know. She understand Nepali and she also can speak. I only know Hindi and English. Nepali, my friend is Nepali. They used to say Ramrach Cho, right? Kosto Cho, Ramrach Cho. Okay, I know this much. ओके हम आएंगे आपके क्लास में, जरूर जरूर, वेलकम. आई अंडरस्टैंड सर. या व्हाट, गुड, नाइस टू हियर दैट. ओके, आपका माइक दे दो फ्री में भाई. पहले कंटेंट इम्प्रूव करो. अगर आप उस लेवल का कंटेंट बनाओगे तो हम जरूर हेल्प करेंगे. व्हाई नॉट? सो शैल वी स्टार्ट द क्लास? आई थिंक इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 8:38, राइट? क्लास कब तक स्टार्ट होगा? जस्ट इन 2 minutes. गेमिंग बाजार, आपको देखो डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक लिंक होगा, राइट? डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक लिंक होगा गूगल फॉर्म का, उसको फिल करोगे तो ही आपको मिलेगा आईडी एंड पासवर्ड, तो आप वहाँ से ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. माई बैकग्राउंड इज BA. नो प्रॉब्लम माई ब्रदर, वाट एवर इज योर बैकग्राउंड, राइट? बैकग्राउंड, no problem on that. If you have did CCNA, you will get a job very easily. Do not worry on that, but your basics must be clear. If somebody asks you what is IP address, you must be say fatak se, you know. It's not like that. IP address is it should not be like that. I hope you understand what I am trying to say. What is IP address? What are the versions? What is private IP? What is public IP? What is network ID? What is broadcast ID? What are the differences between them? Right? Networking devices, where do we use? What are the differences between them? There are lots of basic things. So you have to also clear that things, then only you will get a job. Fill कर चुका हूँ और link मिल गया है. All right. Okay, it's almost 8:40, right? So let's start the class. And one student may came from the networking plus application, right? If you came here, if you're watching this video right now, just fill the Google form that is provided with you in the description section below to attend the Zoom class. Okay, so I'm going to start the Zoom class right now. Sir, you will help in assignment work of networking. I will try my best. Do not worry. Okay, I will try my best. Just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, just give me some time. I have to also send the notification to all the users, those who have sent the Google form, right? So that they can also come and join the class. I don't know why they are not active with the YouTube channel, right? If they have subscribed, means they must got the notification and they can join. So the work, my work is becoming more, you know. Just give me some time. Wait. Software interview. 23 students have filled the form. Nice to hear that. All right, I have sent the notification to everyone. Okay, so let me start the class. And let me also share the screen to all the students, those who are watching my videos right now live. So just give me some time. सेम प्रॉब्लम अनुराग ब्रो. अभिषेक भाई, इंटरव्यू हुआ आज, उसका दौरान मुझे इंग्लिश बोलने में बहुत दिक्कत हुआ. वो टेलीफोनिक इंटरव्यू था. अभिषेक भाई, इसको कैसे दूर करें जिससे मैं क्लियर बात कर सकूं इंटरव्यूअर के सामने. भाई देखो, डेली सुबह जब आप उठो, मिरर के सामने खड़ा होकर और खुद से बात करो. अनटिल यू स्पीक इंग्लिश यू कैनॉट स्पीक, यू नो. यू, आई होप यू गॉट माई पॉइंट. जब तक आप किसी भाषा को कंटिन्यूसली बोलोगे नहीं, तब तक आप सीख नहीं पाओगे. किसी भाषा को सीखने के लिए आपको कंटिन्यूसली बोलना पड़ता है. जब मैं पहली बार बेंगलोर आया तो लोग मेरे इंग्लिश पे हंसते थे, बट स्टिल आई यूज टू स्पीक. देन ओनली माई इंग्लिश इज क्लियर. आई नो माई इंग्लिश इज नॉट फ्लुएंट एवरी टाइम, बट काम चलने लायक इंग्लिश हुआ ना, देन ऑल्सो यू विल गेट सेलेक्टेड, राइट. इट शुड नॉट बी परफेक्ट. इट इज़ नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट टू हैव परफेक्ट इंग्लिश. हल्का फुल्का बोल पाओगे, देन इट इज़ अनफ. Okay, as I'm able to see, 4 students have participated. Nice to hear that. Anish Shahu has also came. Welcome, Anish Shahu. Isru Ritesh has joined. Wow, nice to hear. Thank you very much for joining. Just give me some time. Just wait for 1 or 2 minutes until all the students have joined and we can start the class. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to start the Zoom class. If anybody interested, just fill the Google form. You will get an email with the Zoom ID and password. You can join via that link. Okay, so I am just going to share with you my Zoom app. Today's topic is about network topology. Okay, we're going to discuss network topology. And if you have any doubt, you can unmute from your side and you can ask me at any time. All right. So as I'm able to see, Anish Sahu, Arati, Isro, Ritesh, Morning Star, 4 students have joined the class. Morning Star is not yet joined. Morning Star, where are you? Rahul ji?
प्रेजेंट सर
ओ आ गए आप, थैंक यू वेरी मच। एक और कोई
यस
आया नहीं, कोई तो मिसिंग है प्रीवियस क्लास से। कोई बात नहीं, शुरुआत करते हैं। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्लास।
सर यस सर
So our today's audio video is clear, right?
यस सर
Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Shashi Reddy is from, I think, Bangalore or Karnataka. Is telling Kannada. Okay, thank you very much, Satish, for joining. Okay. So our today's topic is this one. Wait, 1 minute. This. Yeah. So our today's topic is network topology. Okay, so we're going to discuss what is network topology, what are the different types of network topology with example, and advantages and disadvantages of each network topology. Okay, so out of 4 students who know what is network topology, can you explain what exactly the network topology is?
physical architecture of network devices is called network technology.
Good. So if somebody asks you in an interview what is network topology, you can simply explain. Topology defines the structure, how devices are connected to the network. Correct? This is called network topology. It is called, you can say, just a map of a network, how devices are connected to each other in a network. All right. This is called a topology. That's it. Done. Okay. Next is, there are multiple types of network topology, such as single node topology, bus topology, ring topology, star topology, mesh topology, tree topology, and hybrid topology. These are the different types of topology that we basically use in a network. Out of these, few topologies are outdated, that is no more uses in the network. Okay, so let's understand first what is single node topology. Single node topology, right? In a single node topology, what is happening? See, a single node network includes a single device which is connected to the server. As you can see, this is one server I have, and the device is directly connected to the server, right? Only a single device. For example, this is one device and this is one device, right? Only 2 devices are connected to each other. This is called a single node topology. All right, because here we have only one node. In a network, node means any device that we use. It can be a printer, it can be a PC, it can be any other networking device. Node means any networking device. Done. And here it says, if node does not contain files and information needed for operation, it is known as dumb terminal. What is dumb terminal? Let me explain you first. See, this is server, right? For example, this PC don't have access to anything. Even this computer doesn't have its own operating system. Okay, its only task is to receive the information from the server. Okay, and the server admin will decide a few tasks that it can perform. The user sitting on this dumb terminal cannot do any other task. Even he cannot change the date and time without the permission of the server admin. So this kind of terminal, this kind of device in a network, we called it as a dumb terminal. Now the question is, if I ask you, is it possible, like there is no operating system in this device, then can this device able to, you can log into this device, Can you access the data from this device? Is it possible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, it is possible. See, I think you guys just talk to the customer care people, right? Airtel, Geo, right? Used to give them complaint and all. So the device they use, there is that device doesn't contain any operating system. Okay, even the operating system is provided by the server admin. Okay, and the PC they use, right? There is only a small amount of RAM. There is no hard drive and all. Got it? There is nothing in the device. Their main work is just to receive data from the server, and they will access operating system from the server only. You cannot install operating system in this device. Okay, and like this they will get one interface and they will talk. That's it. Whatever information server is showing here, they will explain you. If you ask them anything other
Sir,
than this, yeah, tell me.
Sir, server have a on operating system. NOS server has on operating system, na?
Yes, yes,
NOS.
obviously. Yes, yes. Server, see, we use Microsoft Server. There is one application like we use Windows, right? In a normal our computer, right? Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Like that, there is one more operating system came that is called Windows Server. Okay. Via that, you can configure lots of other things. I am just planning to bring a separate course on server. If this course runs well, like if you guys like my CCNA course, then I can do invest on that course and you will learn that also in upcoming days. All right. So is it clear what is dumb terminal, or if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Hello, is it clear? Clear means say clear.
Yes, sir. Can you explain it again?
Okay, done. And who is drawing in the like here? Who made this? Kindly delete it from your end.
Just 1 minute, sir. By
Okay.
mistake, just
Okay.
on first
No problem. Just erase it.
erase. Not erase. I think my mobile on, but some is.
You will get some option to erase, right? Even see, I am not aware about the Zoom classes and all because only for from few weeks I am taking the class.
Oh,
Wait,
okay.
not
Just 1 minute,
wait.
sir.
I will get
Not
some option.
erase
Clear.
option.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I cleared from my end. Okay. No problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Done. So single node topology is clear to you guys, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now let's move to the advantages and disadvantages to the single node topology. Till then, those who are watching this video live on YouTube, you can fill the Google form and you will get the notification about the Zoom ID and password and you can join from there. All right. Okay. Now, what are the advantages of single node topology? It is easy to install, configure and manage. Least expensive, as a dumb terminal is the cheapest computer, as I've explained, right? This computer doesn't have any data, so it is very very cheap in cost. Single cable is required. That's it. Okay. Disadvantages: only a single device is connected in the entire network. This is one disadvantage. Disadvantage number 2 is dumb terminal is dependent on the server for the resources. For example, I have mentioned here call center PC. Okay. Exactly, I forgot the name of that PC because I have visited call center because I have worked as a network admin, right? So I was there. There is some small name about this PC. I just forgot. I will try to remember and I will let you know in next class. All right. Okay. Now let's move on to the bus topology. Okay. So what is bus topology? In a bus topology, devices shares a common backbone cable to send and receive data. As here you can see all the devices you are able to see here, right? It is connected with the help of this single backbone cable. Correct? Okay, next is the backbone cable is a coaxial cable. It uses a special connector to connect all the devices called BNC connector. For example, here devices we have connected, right? 1 minute, let me erase it. Okay, so this is a backbone cable, and here, right, we are connecting another device. So here we use one connector. Okay, this connector name is BNC connector. Got it? This is called a BNC connector. Okay, done. Next is, in a daisy chain scheme, device 1 is connected to device 2, device 2 is connected to device 3. As you can see, device 1 is connected to device 2, device 2 is connected to device 3, device 3 is connected to device 4, device 4 is connected to device 5. Next is, the first and last device are connected to 50 ohm terminator resistor. At the end of this bus topology, we used to connect two terminator. Now, what is terminator? Terminator is basically used to terminate this signal. Okay, for example, I am sending data from here, right? It should not go here and it should not bounce back. If it is bounce back, means what is going to happen? It is going to create lots of traffic in the network, right? And data collision may occur. So that is the reason we use one terminator at both the end of this backbone cable. Now, I have seen many videos on YouTube. Okay, if they teach like what is bus topology, they will show like this. They will connect switch here, they will connect switch here like this, right? This is not a bus topology. Okay, this is not a bus topology. Why? Bus topology means single node. Got it? Single long cable, that is going to be coaxial cable connected, right? And here devices are going to connect like using a BNC connector. Here you will have switch, and there you will get the devices and all like this. Correct? And do not worry, this bus topology is a very old technology, and nowadays we are not using this technology. Okay, so if you attend the interview and they will ask you what is bus topology, then you can simple explain you. In a bus topology, devices shares a common backbone cable to send and receive data. That's it. No one is going to ask you more than this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's move on to the next topology called bus topology. What is bus topology? Means bus topology I have already explained you. Let's understand the advantages and disadvantages of bus topology. It is easy to connect devices in linear bus, requires less cable, less expensive than other topologies, works better for smaller network. And what are the disadvantages? Entire network get affected if there is a break in the main cable. For example, all the devices connected to a single cable, right? If there is a break in a cable, means entire network get fails. Okay, difficult to detect the faulty device. If any device get faulty, right, become faulty, it is very difficult to do the troubleshoot. Limited number of devices can be attached. Heavy traffic makes the network slow because all the data are going to transfer from a single backbone cable. If there is more traffic, the network is becoming slow. Expensive than single node topology. Clear? Now let's move on to the ring topology. Okay, what is ring topology? In a ring topology, each device is connected to an adjacent device forming a circle. As here you can see, I have 5 devices, right? Each device is connected to each other forming a circle like this. Correct? It is forming a circle. It is not like a PC1 is connected to PC2, right? Just I have shown you the example. Basically, for example, it can be router 1 is connected to router 2 like this, forming a circle. Got it? And here we have lots of other devices, switch. Here we have other devices, PC and all. Here also we have switch. Here we have PC like this. So here what is happening? It is becoming one circle. So this is why this is called a ring topology. Clear? It can be switch as well. For example, switch 1 is connected to switch 2 connected to switch 3 is connected to switch 4, and again it is connected to this one. It is forming a circle. This type of topology we called it as a ring topology. Okay, data flows in only one direction, clockwise or anti-clockwise. In a ring topology, data can travel either from this wise clock direction or anti-clockwise, like reverse. Done. Next is, if data flow from both the direction, we call it as a partial ring topology. If data flow from both the direction, okay, from this direction as well and from this direction as well, on that case we call it as a partial ring topology. Each devices in the ring topology act as a repeater. It amplifies the signal transmission and transmit to the next device. Obviously, for example, if device, this switch is sending data to this switch, right, and once data reaches to this switch, it is going to amplify the signal and send it to this. Again, this switch is going to amplify the signal and send it to this, right? So it is telling this only. Each device act as a repeater. They are going to boost the signal. Next is, if device 1 wants to transmit data to device 3, data must travel from device 1 through device 2 and then to its destination at the device. Obviously, if this PC want to send data to this PC, it cannot send directly, right? It has to travel via PC number 1 to PC number 2. Is it clear? Or if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now let's move on to the advantages and disadvantages of ring topology. It is easier to manage as compared to bus topology, handle large volume of traffic, provide a good communication over a long distance. Disadvantages are more cable required compared to bus topology. One faulty device affect the entire network. For example, this is a network, right? If this is fault, means this network get affected. Got it? Halaki in partial, what we call this, here we have, right, in partial ring topology. If it is partial ring topology, means if this get fails, at least data can be sent via this. But if it is normal ring topology, means if this get fails, entire network get affected. Next is, addition and changes of devices can affect the entire network. For example, if I want to change this device from here, right, it is going to affect the entire network for some time until you make the changes. Clear? Okay. So as I'm able to see, only 3 students are available right now. No problem. Aero in is joined this session. Hello Aero in. Hello. Thank you very much for joining. Okay. Let's understand star topology. This is the most commonly used topology in a network. Everywhere you will find this topology. In a star topology, multiple devices are connected to a central connection point known as hub or switch. As here you can see, here I have switch. Here all the devices are connected to this particular one switch, right? This kind of topology we call this star topology. It is not like it's forming a star, right, in a switch. For example, here I have one centralized device switch and here I have devices like this, correct? Here I have devices like this. Lots of devices are connected. Here I have switch again connected like this. Got it? So if there is a one centralized device and all the devices are connected to each other, this type of network we called it as a star topology. And let's understand the advantages and disadvantages of star topology. Advantages are, it is easy to install, configure and manage, easy to detect the faulty device, easier to expand. Connecting or removing device does not affect the entire network. For example, this is a switch. If we remove one PC from here, right, is it going to affect the entire network? No, it is not going to affect the entire network. Okay, next is requires more cable, obviously. Next is if centralized device hub or switch fails, entire network will affect. If this switch get failed, means entire network get affected by this. So this is the biggest disadvantage of the star topology, and it is more expensive as compared to other topology. So if somebody asks you what is star topology, this is a very important question. So whatever I am mentioning here, right, please take a note. In a star topology, multiple devices are connected to a central connection point known as hub or switch. And you can tell the advantages. It is easy to configure, easy to detect faulty device, easier to expand. And biggest disadvantage is if centralized device get failed, means entire network will fail. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's understand the mesh topology. Okay, for that let me do the slide, so then only it will be easy for you to understand from current slide. In a mesh topology, wait. Okay, in a mesh topology, every device is connected to each other. As here you can see, all the devices are connected to each other. Got it? This is called a mesh topology. Next. There are two types of mesh topology. One is called full mesh and one is called partial mesh. In a partial mesh topology, all devices are connected to few devices in a network. For example, as here you can see, this is PC number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? So here PC number 1 is connected to PC number 4 and PC number 3. Only it is connected to these two devices. Are you able to see? Same like this, PC number 5 is connected to PC number 2 and PC number 3. Got it? So it is connected to few devices but not all the devices. It is called a partial mesh topology. Okay? But if it is connected to all the devices, and as you can see, it says if it connected to all the devices, in full mesh topology, each device is directly connected to each other. Means all the devices, you can see PC number 1 is connected to PC number 5 as well, PC number 2 as well, PC number 3 as well, PC number 4 as well, correct? Here all the devices you can see are connected to all the devices. It is called a full mesh topology. Is it clear? If you have doubt, you can ask me.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, good. Now let's understand the advantages and disadvantages of mesh topology. Okay. So what are the advantages of mesh topology? It provides multiple paths to send data. If a single path fails, it can send data from alternate path. This is the biggest advantages of a mesh topology. So for example, if this path get failed, right, this device can send data via this path, right? It will go here and it can send directly to this device. Got it? Or it can go here, and it will go here and it will send directly to this device. Got it? So this is the biggest advantages of a mesh topology. entire network does not get affected by one faulty device. If this signal get failed, entire network is not going to affect because there is always a alternate route. Centralized management is not required as it is in star topology. As we have seen in star topology, we need a centralized device, right? Here it is not like that. Next is, it is easy to detect the faulty device. All right. Now, what are the disadvantages of mesh topology? More cable is required as compared to bus, star or ring topology. Very expensive as compared to ring, bus or star topology. Obviously, it is going to be expensive as compared to other topologies, and it is little difficult to configure because we have to connect each devices to each other. So the configuration is little complicated. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's move on to the tree topology. For that, again, I have to show you the presentation. All right. A tree topology combines the characteristics of linear bus and star topology. A tree topology connects multiple star network with the help of linear bus backbone cable. All right, as here you can see, okay, as you can see, this is a star topology, right? This is a star topology. Even this is also a star topology, and this is also a star topology. Correct. So here we have 3 star topology, and it is connected with the help of a single backbone cable, right? So this kind of network we called it as a tree topology. A tree topology combines the characteristics of linear bus and star topology. Is it clear? It is very simple to understand, right? It is a combination of star topology and bus topology. It is called a tree topology. If any doubt, you can ask me immediately. And as you can see, we have another 10 minutes for the free class, and I will try to complete it as soon as possible because after it we have only one topology. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay. Now let's move on to the hybrid topology. What is hybrid topology? In a hybrid topology, multiple physical topologies are combined to form a one large network. This topology basically used in a large network. As you can see here, we have used mesh topology, star topology, ring topology, bus topology. It is also connected with the help of backbone cable. Correct. So this type of topology where all the multiple topology get mixed, it is called a hybrid topology. Each topology has its own strength and weakness. When different types of topologies are combined, their total strength improves the network performance. All right, here see mesh topology has its own benefits, ring topology has its own benefit, and star topology has its own benefit, bus topology has its own benefits. Just it is telling that only each topology have their own strength to improve the network, and these are the advantages and disadvantages of hybrid topology. Useful for implementing a large network, handle large volume of traffic, easy to detect and remove the faulty device, and its disadvantages are more cabling is required as compared to all other topologies, and it is more expensive than all other topologies. Complex structure, installation and reconfiguration is very difficult. Clear? Shall we move forward?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So our today's session is over. Okay. So before taking the surprise test, and those who are watching this video live on YouTube, and my students already know about my course, correct? So let me explain them once again so that they will also come to know what exactly my course is. So just give me 1 minute. So I have built a one website for you guys. The website name is networkingplus.in, where you can learn the CCNA at the best and the affordable price. And I have provided you the course in two different language. One is in English and one is in Hindi. If you choose any of this course, you will get the another course absolutely free of cost. I am not going to charge any money. If you buy English course, you will get the Hindi course free. If you buy the Hindi course, you will get the English course absolutely free of cost. And this course includes lots of useful topics. For example, I have shared with you networking quiz, and there will be assignments for you. I will also share you the lab example. Whatever practical we used to do on packet tracer, I will give you the file so that you can practice at your home. And here you can see all the topics that I have mentioned here. You will get inside the course. Okay, so this is a quick summary about my course, and all the videos will be available, and whatever doubt you are going to ask me, I will going to answer each and every doubt. And if you enroll the course, you will get a separate class, like we are doing a Zoom class right now, right? We are going to take a separate class for all the CCNA student, where I am going to answer all of your doubts. Okay, so now let's go forward, and I'm going to take the surprise test from all the students, those who are joining the session right now. So let me show you 1 minute. Share. So let's see whether you have learned whatever we have discussed tonight or not. So I am expecting everyone to give the answer, then only understand like whether I am able to teach you correctly or not. All right. So tell me, which topology requires a backbone cable to send and receive data?
Bus topology.
Very good. Bus topology, right? Okay. So we have 5 students, right? So I will ask one by one to everybody. So Arati has given the correct answer. Next question is Munian, S. Munian. So tell me, in which topology all the devices are connected to centralized device, hub or switch?
Can you hear me?
Which topology?
No, I just joined like couple minutes ago. I heard you discussing about boss topology and
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, understand. Okay.
Yeah.
So can you answer any of these 3 questions? Which topology is the combination of star and bus topology, or any other? Tell me.
Oh yeah, I can answer the last question.
Which is the combination
this
of
is-
all? Yeah, tell me.
That's hybrid.
Hybrid topology. Yeah, okay, very good. So it is a
Yeah.
hybrid topology. All right. Okay. Now next question is to Morning Star. आपको तो पता ही होगा जवाब, फिर भी पूछ लेते हैं. In which topology all the devices are connected to a centralized device, hub or switch?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is
I
the
know.
correct? Yeah, what is
Star
the correct?
topology. Star
Yeah.
topology.
Okay, this is star topology. Now next question is for Robert. Tell me, which topology is the combination of star topology and bus topology?
Tree topology.
Very good. It's a tree topology. Okay. Now last question is, let's see who is able to answer. In which topology all the devices are connected to each other? Anybody can answer.
Full mesh topology.
Yes.
Full
it is
mesh topology.
very good. It is called
sir,
a
mesh
full
topology.
mesh topology. All right. Means whatever I have taught you, you have learned it successfully. So it is. I am very, very happy because my mission is successful, right? This is my mission, to teach you all. Okay, so if anybody interested to join the course, I hope you have the link, right, about my website, or do you want me to share if you want to join? That website name is networkingplus.in, right? I have already shared with you, and there you will get all the videos, whatever how to configure router, how to configure switch, and about each and every topic, right, we have discussed. So you will get all the videos. Okay, all the videos are already made, and if you have any doubt, I can make a separate video on that topic as well. By the way, I am sharing you the link, and you can make the payment. Whether if you're from India, you can make in Indian rupees, and if you're from other countries, you can choose the currency from here in US dollar, and you can make the payment from here. Okay, it is not necessary. If you want to join the complete course, then only you can join it, or else I am here to teach you absolutely free of cost as well. But all the topics I cannot discuss, and it is going to take lots of time, right? It is going to be a time consuming process. If you want to learn as soon as possible, then only this course is for you. By the way, I am sharing you the course link. 1 minute. Alright, I have shared you the link in the chat. You can just take a note, and if you're interested, you can join. As I'm able to see here, other students are joined this session on YouTube. So if you are too interested to join the complete course, the course link is given in the description section below. Kindly join it from here. And if you missed the today's live session, and if you want to join next live class, you can join it absolutely free of cost. Just fill the Google form that is shared with you in the description section below. So any doubt you guys have, because we have only few seconds left.
No, sir.
Okay, no doubt, right? So okay, then I'm going to end this live session right now, and let's see what can be done in the next live class. So thank you very much for joining this session. Love you all. Take care, and bye bye.
Take care, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Alright guys, this is all about today. If you are interested to join the class, you are free to join it. I have provided you the link of my website in the description section below, and all the course content will be available here, whether how to configure router, how to configure switch, and all the other topics that is very important for CCNA student that is required to pass the exam. Plus I will also guide you to pass the interview. I'm going to take interview personally, and I'm going to ask you all the important questions that is most commonly asked on an interview. All right, so actually if you take this course from other institute and all, the price is definitely $200, or it could be more than that. And if you are from India, the single course price maybe around 15,000 rupees, but I'm giving you only at 4,999, and this is a limited time offer. Just I am also learning something. Okay, this is a pre-launch time, so if you're interested, you can join it as soon as possible. And if I get the 10 students, then definitely the price is going to increase. All right, okay, thank you very much for joining this live streaming, and see you in the next class. Till then, take care and bye bye. And the course link is in the description section below. Kindly check it there. All right.